Have you ever wanted to generate unlimited high-quality AI images for free without paying for Leonardo AI, MidJourney, or any other premium service? Whether you need AI images for content creation, social media, or viral videos, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. All for free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GitHub. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's free and it takes just a minute. So once you're logged in, go to the search bar and type Focus. With 3 O's, click on the correct result and you'll be taken to the project's page. Now scroll down until you find a button that says Open in Colab Etc. Click on it. This will open the Google Colab, a tool by Google that allows you to run Python code in your browser without installing anything on your computer. Inside Google Colab, you'll see some pre-written code. You don't have to write anything, just follow these simple steps. Click the play button at the top to start running the code. A pop-up may appear asking for permission to run the notebook. Click Run anyway. Wait for the setup process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, you'll see a message saying, App started successfully, along with a link that ends with ET, Radio Live. Click on this link and it will open the AI image generator in your browser. Now that you are inside the AI image generator, let's create some stunning images. Click on the Input Image button if you want to upload an image for reference or leave it blank if you want to generate a new one from scratch. Click on Advanced to access additional settings. Here, you can adjust speed, quality, or extreme speed. Choose quality for the best results. Aspect ratio. For Instagram posts, use 1:1. Number of images per prompt, up to 32 at once. Negative prompt. Specify anything you don't want in your image. In the Style section, select Hyperrealism for the most realistic AI-generated images. The better your prompt, the better your image. Instead of a basic description, use ChatGPT to refine your prompt. For example, if you want an image of Lionel Messi in a futuristic robotic suit, instead of just typing Messi in a robotic suit, ask ChatGPT to elaborate on the scene. A better prompt could be, a highly detailed futuristic digital painting of Lionel Messi wearing a cutting-edge robotic exosuit, glowing neon lights embedded in the armor, standing in a cyberpunk-style stadium with fans cheering in the background. Ultra HD cinematic lighting, photorealistic. Similarly, you can try prompts like Serena Williams in a golden gladiator outfit, standing victoriously in an ancient Roman Colosseum, dramatic lighting, ultra-realistic. LeBron James in a sci-fi setting, wearing an advanced spacesuit, floating in zero gravity, intense lighting, 8K Ultra HD. Once you're happy with your prompt, copy and paste it into the AI generator, then click Generate. After a few moments, your AI-generated images will appear. Click on the ones you like to download them. Since the tool runs in your browser, you can generate as many images as you want, completely free. If you want to generate images without an internet connection, you can download the software to your computer. Go back to the GitHub page and look for the download link. Extract the downloaded files using WinRAR. Open the folder and run the run file to install the software locally. Once installed, open it in your browser and you can now generate images offline. That's it. You now have a powerful AI image generator at your fingertips without paying a single penny. Whether you want hyper-realistic images, artistic creations, or concept art, this method gives you unlimited possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI images you'll be creating.